Hi, grade 6. So hopefully questions 5 to 7 went well for you. Here are the answers for them. Make sure you do not watch this until you've tried it yourself, okay? So for 5A, it said copy this hexagon on a coordinate grid. So here is our hexagon, and your coordinate grid should have been like this one, so 10 by 10, and make sure your coordinates are in the same spot. So A, for example, is on 1, 9, B is on 2, 9, etc. Make sure these are in the right spot. It says rotate the hexagon 180 degrees about 4, 7. Then reflect the rotation in a line through FE. Okay, so first we're going to rotate it. Rotate the hexagon 180 degrees about 4, 7. Okay, so here's my original. Here is the coordinate 4, 7 on that little dot. And here is what it looks like when you rotate the image 180 degrees around 4, 7. The next part was to reflect the rotation image in a line through FE. Now this said FE, not FE prime. So, or no, hang on, what did I do here? Yes, here. So FE, the original, I was right. Sorry, I'm second guessing myself. So line FE is here. It's on 5 on the vertical axis. So it is a horizontal line. So here is line FE right here. So then I reflected my image over that line. Okay, then you're supposed to write down the final coordinates. That was part B. What are the coordinates of the vertices of the final image? So for 5B, here is the answer. A double prime is 7, 5, B double prime is 6, 5, C double prime is 6, 3, D double prime is 5, 3, E double prime is 5, 1, F double prime is 7, 1. So those are the answers for 5. This is what your image should look like. Again, as always, if this does not look like yours, please try this out again, okay? Number 6 says, describe 2 successive transformations that move the shape to its image. Find as many pairs of transformations as you can. So here is the shape, and we want to move the shape to its image, okay? So I came up with a couple different ones here. I said translate 5 down and 5 left, or you can reflect twice on lines in the middle between the two. So what I mean by that is I would reflect it first maybe on this line, which is in between them, to get the shape down here. And then once the shape is down here, I would reflect it again over the middle line to get to the image. Okay. Then number 7, this design was formed by repeatedly transforming 2 shapes. A says copy the design and identify the 2 original shapes. So I didn't copy the design, but the 2 original shapes are a triangle and a quadrilateral. Okay, or there is another name for this. If you use that, that's fine too. B, describe the transformations that could have been used to create the design. So for 7B, I came up with reflecting the shapes. If you had something different, remember translating. We can't translate because these shapes are facing different ways. You could also rotate the shapes on the center line between them. So rotating or reflecting are the answers for B. C is another set of transformations possible, either reflecting or rotating, like I said, and then use the 2 original shapes and transformations to make a different design, and then describe the transformations you used. For D, there are many possible answers, okay, so that could have looked a little bit different. So those are the answers for 5 to 7. These are the last show what you know questions. As always, if these didn't go fantastically, if you have questions about them, please let me know either over email or Google Hangouts. And if you need any help reviewing for our unit test after spring break, please let me know and I will be super happy to help you. Okay, have a great rest of your day, you guys. Talk to you soon.